here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done dynoing it. Give you kind of a brief description of this combination. It's got the AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got a custom J&E pistons, carbon steel top ring. The hydraulic roller motor, we have that custom ground by Concord. You got the Canton front sump oil pan. Got the March serpentine belt set up to make sure the alternator charges. Got Scorpion roller rockers. EFI, got the sniper version on here, controlling the timing with the Ollie dual sync. Everything's good there. Take you in and show you how to ran. Alrighty, down at 2500, it's 483 foot-pounds of torque. Peak's torque, it's like 551, pretty awesome. Peak's horsepower, let's see here, 510, still running hard. We rated it at 520, it's got a front end on it, that's 10 or 15, so like I said, it's still running pretty hard at 6,000. So we'll get her off here, get in her crate, come your way, have a great day.